spacious living and dining area. We have your kitchen space where you have two parallel platforms, master bedroom. You can see this bedroom is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Saffron Peace by H. Rishabh located in Borivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project has one tower with two wings of ground plus 9-story having spacious 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. Talking about the amenities, this project has all basic amenities including a rooftop garden, fitness center, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located on Holy Cross Road near IC Church, Borivali West, from where Borivali railway station is only at a distance of 15 minutes walk. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes drive. Manpeshwar Metro Station is at a distance of 5 minutes. Also, you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Saffron Peace. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 621 square feet. As you can see, this over here is a spacious living and dining area. Also, we are standing at the actual tower and the actual flat of the project. So it may look messy, but you will be getting a very spacious and premium residence. Also, here you can see you have full French windows with safety railing for beautiful standing balcony view. This can be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal times with your family. Moving forward, on this side we have your kitchen space where you have two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink, and besides one of the platform you have space provided to place your refrigerator and even to place your washing machine. In the kitchen as well, you have full French windows with safety railing. Opposite to your kitchen is a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And opposite to the common washroom and beside your kitchen is your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed, side table, you can customize your wardrobes. You will be still left with plenty of workable space. Also, again, you will be getting full French windows in L shape in this bedroom with safety railings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what this Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now we are entering your master bedroom. At the entrance, you can see you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy, and to the right of the entrance you have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of the master bedroom. You can see this bedroom is very spacious. You can place your king size bed. You can also make a seating corner. Even after that, you will be left with walkable space. And in this master bedroom as well, you have L-shaped full French windows. You can also see the actual view as we are standing at the actual tower of the project. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Saffron Peace. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. And have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Saffron Peace by H. Rishabh Raj, located in Borivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.